Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll make shabu shabu hot pot. It is my viewers' request, thank you so much. In my recipe, I'll use a lot of vegetables. The meat is main ingredient in shabu shabu hot pot, but the vegetables is also important. Colorful and beautiful vegetables make our table gorgeous, and juicy and tasty meat makes us happy. And I'll make two sauces. We can enjoy it with different flavors. I hope you will enjoy shabu shabu hot pot. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll prepare two sauces. Rich flavor of sesame sauce and refreshing flavor of ponzu sauce. First, I'll make sesame sauce, and this is a recipe. I add sake and mirin to the pot, and I'll heat it. I turn on the heat. I remove the alcohol from it. Once it boils, I turn down the heat and heat it for about 2 minutes. I check it by the smell of the alcohol. Okay, I turn off the heat and let it cool. This is white sesame paste. I add rice vinegar and mix them. It is important to add the vinegar gradually to prevent the sauce from separating. Nice. I add half of soy sauce and mix them well. Okay, I add all of soy sauce. The patience is important to make delicious and smooth sesame sauce. Nice. At last, I add sake and mirin. Sake and mirin add sweetness and complex flavor to the sauce. Okay, beautiful. Sesame sauce is done. Next, it is my original ponzu sauce. I explained this recipe in this video. If you are interested in it, please watch it. You'll be able to make your original ponzu sauce. Okay, I prepare ponzu sauce as well. The sauces are ready. Next, I'll prepare dashi. This is 800 grams of the water. I add 5 grams of kombu and 15 grams of sake. I let it stand for a while to extract umami from kombu. Next, I'll prepare the vegetables. We can cut them into big chunks, but I'd like to enjoy nice crunchy texture of the vegetables. So I'll cut them into juliennes. It makes our table gorgeous. At first, I'll cut the cabbage. I trim off the stem. Okay, and I separate it into half. Good. I cut it along the fiber to remain the crunchy texture. I flatten the cabbage. It helps me to cut it comfortably. I cut it about 3 mm in towers. Okay, I set it aside. Next, Japanese leek. It's best season now. I trim off the head part. What do you make with it? I'll use it for making tsukune, meatballs, or miso mackerel. I cut it diagonally and thinly. I cut it into long lengths. It will be easy to pick up it from the hot pot. Nice, sliced Japanese leek is beautiful. Next, mizune. If you watched my latest video, I used mizune as well. The feature of mizune is bitter taste and nice crunchy texture. I trim off the bottom and cut it into 5 cm in towers. If you don't get it, I recommend crunchy vegetables instead of it. Mizune is a popular ingredient for hot pot. Next, celery. I'm sure it's popular vegetables in the world, especially Western countries. Today I use stem. I divide it into half. Okay, I cut it into 4 centimeters intervals. And I cut it into thin slices. Actually, celery is not common ingredient in shabu shabu hot pot, but this refreshing flavor is really good with pork and other ingredients. If you like celery, please try it. I arrange the vegetables on a big plate. Next, enoki mushrooms. I trim off the bottom and I loosen it into small clusters. Enoki mushroom is a very popular ingredient for hot pot. Mushrooms are good with shabu shabu hot pot. Please try to use mushrooms you like. Next, burdock. Burdock is called gobo in Japanese. The flavor of it is earthy and unique, and the texture is crunchy. I cut it into 4 centimeters. Good. And I slice it thinly. Burdock is a bit firm, so please take care of cutting it. Okay. And I cut it into juliennes. We'll be able to enjoy the crunchy texture comfortably. If it's too big, we may feel burdock a bit firm. Okay. Next, carrot. This carrot is called kintoki ninjin in Japanese. The feature is this beautiful red color, long shape, and sweet taste. I trim off the headbird and I cut it into 4 centimeters. Beautiful. I peel off the skin. Okay. I also cut it into juliennes. You can cut it into juliennes in your way. I'll do katsuramuki. I peel it thinly and evenly. In fact, it's more difficult to cut carrot than white radish, because carrot is a bit harder than daikon. However, I'll get the same size of juliennes from katsuramuki. Okay, I roll a bit. Nice. Then I spread it. I cut it into half and I pile up them. And then I chop them. Okay, good. This way is also good to cut it into juliennes. I chop them. Please try to use your favorite vegetables. If you have questions about the vegetables, feel free to ask me. Done. Very beautiful. I recommend this shabu shabu hot pot for home party. We can enjoy delicious meat and healthy vegetables. I use this thin sliced pork. It has beautiful fat. Of course, you can use beef instead of pork. Let's finish shabu shabu hot pot. I turn on the heat and I heat the dashi. Once the dashi starts to boil, I remove kombu. If kombu becomes tender, we got the maximum umami from kombu. First, I add the carrot and the burdock. They need more time to be cooked. I stir it and heat it 1 moment. And enoki mushrooms, Japanese leek, cabbage, and celery. I mix them again. It is really beautiful. At last, mizune. Mizune is cooked quickly. Okay, I'm ready to add pork. I cook the pork in short time. I let the pork swim in the tasty dashi. The word of shabu shabu originates from this motion. Okay. First, I'll eat only pork with ponzu sauce. I dip it lightly. Itadakimasu. The pork is soft and juicy, and the ponzu sauce is very good. Next, I add it to the sesame sauce. Sesame sauce is also popular. This rich flavor of the sauce elevates the taste of pork. Please try it. Finally, I'll introduce the best way. I add the pork and let it swim. And I wrap the vegetables with pork. I can enjoy juicy pork and crunchy vegetables. I dip it in the ponzu sauce. いただきます。I hope you will enjoy shabu shabu hot pot. Thank you. Did you enjoy? We can enjoy shabu shabu hot pot, both pork and beef. And I recommend to use many vegetables. If you find good vegetable for it, please teach me. I hope you will enjoy shabu shabu hot pot at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.